All right, put it in.
Up as shown. Let's just put it this way.
Is that as shown? Did it work? Okay, $1.
3-7. My return.
What is going on?
Well, you can have my 75 cents, and you can get something with that. I'll see if I can get you 25 more cents, and then you can make some, and then you can get some food for homeless people.
3-7. Thank you.
It worked. Now just get something else for 50 cents, and then you can be donating to the homeless.
Okay,
What should we
you're a
pick?
guy in welding. Is that what you like?
Maybe almonds. Eat 2.
Okay.
Eat 2. Yes. Coins.
So apparently,
Almost money.
it doesn't accept dollar bills. Let's see if it accepts this one. Is this as shown? Nope. Wait. As shown. Okay. Okay. That's a good sign. What should I get? I will get... What should I get?
Get peanuts.
Get peanuts. This is risky. Why does it just spit him back out? At least it doesn't eat it like it ate yours.
I think it's because I tried so many times.
D7.
I ate it. No! No!
What is it doing now? I think we messed it up.
It's $8. One lit, use coins.
No, you are not spending any more of my money. Nope.